What's that in your hand so bright and new? It's a magic crayon just for you. Draw a squiggle, a swirl, or a star, and watch it come to life, near or far. Meet the magic crayon. I opened my pencil box today and found a crayon glowing in a special way. It whispered softly, "Come, let's play. I can make your drawings dance all day." I drew a puppy with a curly tail. It wagged and barked without fail. I laughed and clapped, what a surprise! My magic crayon made it real before my eyes. The drawing comes alive. Draw, draw, draw with me. Make a rainbow, make the sea. Make a castle, make a crown. With my magic crayon, dreams come down. Draw, 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 what will you do? The world's a page for me and you. Adventure begins. I drew a big red hot air balloon. It floated up past the sun and moon. I climbed inside with my puppy friend. Our sky adventure would never end. We saw the mountains, rivers, and streams, flying high above in our dreams. With every line and every hue, the world became something brand new. Draw anything you imagine. Purple dragons, yellow bees, a boat that sails on chocolate seas, a candy forest, a jelly sky. With my magic crayon, we can fly. Helping friends with magic. I met a penguin feeling cold, so I drew him a scarf of marigold. I saw a bunny lost in the park, so I made a lantern to shine in the dark. A turtle wished for a faster ride. I drew a skateboard for him to glide. With every stroke, with every bend, my crayon became a caring friend. The drawing comes alive. Draw, draw, draw with me. Make a rainbow, make the sea. Make a castle, make a crown. With my magic crayon, dreams come down. Draw, 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 what will you do? The world's a page for me and you. A big surprise creation. I drew a door with a golden key. It opened up to a giant tree. Inside the trunk, oh, what a sight! A crayon kingdom full of light. There were animals all around, dancing, singing, making sound. Every creature drew their dream in a happy, sparkly, magic scene. Lesson in creativity. With colors bright and lines so free, I can make the world how I want it to be. It's not just magic, it's in my mind. The power of drawing is one of a kind. Big and joyful. Draw, draw, draw with me. Make a rainbow, make the sea. Make a castle, make a crown. With my magic crayon, dreams come down. Draw, 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 what will you do? The world's a page for me and you. Draw your dreams, let them play with the magic crayon every day. So, what will you draw today? A rocket ship? A dancing giraffe? Remember, with your imagination, every crayon can be magic.